Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my empties. If you haven't seen part 1 of my empties, I talk about all the stuff I've used up. I'll put it up on one of those things up there. And the first thing I want to talk about are 2 cleansers. Now I have here the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Scrub Cleanser. It's kind of an exfoliating cleanser. It has those little beads in there. I got this from Influencer. Didn't love it. I used around a third of it and then I gave it to my brother. I'm pretty sure he liked it because he likes the exfoliating feeling. This is something that I personally did not like. It wasn't too exfoliating and I didn't notice anything too special about it. It smells really great. It's like a citrusy scent, but it didn't work for me. It kind of left my skin feeling not cleansed. I like that squeaky clean feeling and this didn't give that to me. The next cleanser I've talked about, COSRX Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Cleanser. Now I think it's called Daily Gentle Cleanser. It says it reduces acne, breakouts, and promotes clear skin, and I totally agree with that. Every time I go back to this, my skin just kind of maintains and goes back to normal, if that makes sense, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the salicylic acid in here. I really recommend this if you're having breakouts or just in general, if you want to wash off your makeup or just want to feel that squeaky clean feeling. This is really good and affordable. I think it's only like $10 to $15. It's not exfoliating though, so like I said, I think they changed the name to a more matching name, which is like Gentle Everyday Cleanser. And then I have another cleanser here. Almost dropped that. This is the Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. I got this also last year in my California travel days. I talked about this in one of my flops video and it was a flop for me. I didn't love it. I still don't love it. It's one of those cleansers that doesn't leave me feeling squeaky clean, and this is, I think, supposed to kind of wash off your makeup. It's a one-step facial cleanser. Don't love this. It makes my skin feeling greasy, and even when I use this, cleanse my face twice with this and it still feels gross and my makeup doesn't come off, so I wouldn't recommend this. And also in general, you shouldn't one-step cleanse anyways. It was an okay cleanser, but I don't love it and it's pricey, so why buy this, you know? I think this was $11 and so is the COSRX, so why would you buy this one? I don't know why people love it so much. And then the next thing I have here is the Black Sugar Facial Scrub from Xoxo. It's for all skin types and it's literally just a facial scrub, and this is super exfoliating. It is sugar, so I would just scoop this, put it onto your hands, and with a damp face, I would just go in and literally exfoliate your face, and I will just let it sit there a little bit and then just wash it off. So this one does leave oilier residue, but since it's sugar, I wouldn't recommend using it underwater, if that makes sense, not with a too wet face, because the sugar melts and then it kind of just loses the point of exfoliating. Another makeup removing product that is for the face, I've talked about this before, is the Jaime All Clean Balm. It's so freaking amazing. It compares to the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and this is one of those kind of little waxy feeling, like looking things, but you put into your palm and rub it and it becomes an oil and washes off your face. Doesn't leave your skin feeling oily. It takes everything off, including waterproof mascaras, everything. So I really recommend this. It's around $16 to $20 depending where you get it. You don't even need that much. So out of everything that I ever talk about in any of these videos, like, this is something that you should always check out because this is amazing if you wear makeup. Next, let's talk about what I do after cleansing. I do toner or micellar water. So for micellar water, I tried this one out. It's the Formula 1006, so totally clean. Micellar cleansing water for sensitive skin. This was just okay. It reminded me of the simple micellar water that I used. It was in my empties last year. Always recommend going in with a toner or a micellar water of some sort after cleansing your face, because when you do that, you'll realize you have more makeup on that you didn't realize. Like, you think everything comes off, but no, honey. Even after my All Clean Balm and a cleanser, exfoliator, I still have shit on my face, and these saved my life. So this was okay. It wasn't amazing. But another one that I really love that I've used up is the AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner from COSRX. This one comes in a spray, which is why I thought it was really... Oh, there's still some stuff in there. It was really cool, but I ended up just spraying it onto a cotton pad. This one is supposed to actually help with clearing your skin up. I don't really find that it helped me with that, but it is a great toner and it's not too drying for a clarifying treatment toner. It was average. Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about these 4 things that actually came from my Sephora skincare favorites box that I got in a Sephora haul a while back. So first I have the Tarte Maracuja Sea Brighter Eye Treatment, and this was just an eye cream. I didn't notice a huge difference with it. I think it's supposed to kind of make your eyes more plump and make it brighter, but It was an okay eye cream. I'm not really experienced with eye cream, so I can't really say much about it. It felt good. And then I have the Amore Pacific Essential Cream Fluid. This one at first I didn't like it because it made my skin feel oily after using it, and I felt like it made me extra oily, but I did like it on days actually when I wore no makeup and would just pop this on, and it gave me a natural glow. But I probably won't be buying this again because I'm oily and I don't love the glow so much. And then a serum that I used up is the Ulla Henriksen Truth Serum. I think it has vitamin C and it's just supposed to brighten your face, and I freaking love this stuff. First of all, it smells bomb. It smells like citrusy, and also it does brighten up my skin. And I swear to you, I don't know what is in here, but I mean, maybe it's the collagen boosting thing in it, but it's literally helped with my skin so much. I bought the full size, and this stuff is expensive. The full size that I bought was like 70 bucks, but I got it during the VIB sale. I'm almost out of it. I'm really sad about it, but this thing was so bomb. I had to purchase it. If you're looking for something to kind of brighten your skin and make your skin just feel more healthy, and you're having trouble with, I have a lot of eczema around my face sometimes, but I feel like this has helped me so much, and when I don't use it, I do notice something's off, and then I go back to this. I feel like I talk about with a lot of skincare, but with skincare, you really know what works for you after you don't use it. And this is definitely one of them. Probably my holy grail serum. I don't know. I love this stuff. And then last from the Sephora kit that I have is the Sunday Riley CEO Protect and Repair Moisturizer, and it was this tiny sample, literally so tiny, but it lasted me a really long time. This is also citrusy. I would only use this as a night cream because it's super moisturizing and it's thicker. It did not sink in as fast as I would have wanted it to. It is a really great moisturizer. I personally would never repurchase it. It was just like too thick for me, so it's good, but I don't love it enough to rebuy it. I'm just gonna go back to eye creams real quick and talk about the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. I've gotten this as a set from Influencer with the Origins Ginseng Cleanser, and this is really good. I really like this eye cream 2D puff. I believe it has caffeine in here, and it does feel kind of tingly, but it feels good. It makes me feel kind of awake, and I don't know if it's because of the caffeine in here. It smells good, and it's not too thick, and it doesn't mess up my makeup. It's really refreshing, like it says. I have repurchased this, and I've been using it. My mom also uses this and loves it. It's a good eye cream. I'm like running out of breath. And something else that I'm not going to talk about too much about is the Snail Bee High Content Essence. This is one of my favorite essences. Like I said, it's also changed my life. I don't use it so much anymore because I have so many skincare products that I'm testing out. But this is a really good everyday essence for nighttime before your moisturizer. I feel like it's helped me maintain my skin. It says it's supposed to help sensitive and troubled skin. It's supposed to improve rough and damaged skin, and like I feel like it has. If you want to check out an affordable essence, I would definitely check this out. It's just clear and doesn't have a smell. I was scared it was gonna have a smell, but it doesn't. So next for the skin, we have moisturizers, and I have, almost dropped that. I have 5 right here, and they all happen to be like blue and white, so that's really cute. So first we'll talk about this one that I got sent from a company, and this is the Numise Med Sensitive Skin pH 5.5 Day and Night Face Care Cream. I was scared at first because when I first got this and opened it, it was white, and I don't usually like the white cream moisturizers because it's too thick for me. I like more gel formulas, so I didn't think I would like it, but I did like it. It was lightly scented. It smelled like kind of baby powder. It wasn't anything terrible. So the next one that I have here is the L'Oreal Hydrogenius Daily Moisturizer, and this is for oily skin. This is so bomb. It's one of those gel consistencies, and it has a pump, so I freaking love that. It smells really clean and fresh, and it did work for my oily skin under my makeup. Finding a moisturizer for me was a struggle, especially for a moisturizer that goes under my makeup because I don't want to get so oily. So this one was my first find that I freaking loved from the drugstore. It wasn't too expensive. Well, actually maybe it was, I don't remember. It was hydrating yet not too thick, and it made my makeup sit on top really well. It feels luxurious. It feels luxurious, and it also works really well. So I recommend this if you're looking for a moisturizer. But the next moisturizer is my holy grail drugstore moisturizer. Probably actually even overall favorite moisturizer for under makeup during the day. Also good at night, but it is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and I've finished 2 of these tubs. This is literally what the L'Oreal moisturizer that I just talked about does, but so much better for some reason. This just soaks into my my skin better. My makeup sits on top better. I don't know, it's the same, but I just love this so much better. It is more pricey. I think it's like 20 bucks for one of these, but I always do like a BOGO, like buy one get one free or buy one get one half off. It's always worth it. I stock up. They have one for extra dry skin so that it really hydrates your face, or this is just the regular one that works for me. It doesn't hydrate my skin so much that I feel like I'm getting oily fast. It's just the perfect gel moisturizer, and shout out to Sophia. She was the one who talked about this on her channel way back, and she said it's one of her holy grails, so I checked it out and I finished 2 of these because they're so good. So I highly recommend them if you're looking for a moisturizer. If you're oily skin, this is really, really bomb. The next moisturizer that I'm going to talk about is from Nature Republic, and I got this from YesStyle. It's the Fresh Watery Cream, and I think it's for oily skin. I'm not sure. This I just love for the smell. This was also one of those creams that I only use at night because it tended to make me a little more oily. It takes a little longer to soak in, so I don't know, it's good, but I mean, I wouldn't recommend it so much for a day moisturizer. And then the next skincare stuff I have here are acne patches. 2 brands here. CosRx acne pimple patches, and I have the Iberel acne cover patches. They all work for me, and I know pimple patches are kind of confusing because you think if you have a pimple and you pop it on, it's gonna make it go away. No, it doesn't work like that. But I really recommend these pimple patches for when your pimples have popped, or if you just can't wait and you've popped them. If you put these stickers on top of them overnight, I swear to you, the stickers will suck out any extra gunk that you couldn't squeeze out or that didn't naturally come out. You'll see it the next morning. You'll literally take off the sticker and see there's like gunk in the sticker. I swear to you, I swear by these patches. They're just so good. The CosRx ones I feel like work a little, they suck out stuff better, and then these work for more like freshly popped pimples, but I mean these do too, but these only work the best when it's like freshly squeezed out, like freshly popped. So yeah, that's it for my skincare empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments below. If you have any holy grail products, if you have any recommendations for oily skin, also leave that in the comments below because I love trying new skincare all the time. That's it. So lastly, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.